Hey, little warrior.
Hey, Dad.
My warrior princess. Look at her.
I'll show you this. One day, Luke was pulling hard and salty. Luke didn't know when he passed the bus. There was a visor, but Luke didn't know. The truck, and Luke was pulling an oil car. So go to the diesel works for Rusty to get some oil for him.
Oh, every little night.
Till one day, he was coming down the track, and he saw a cliff where the water was filled. Luke tried to stop. But the car just said, on, he asked it. But Luke said, I want to stop, but he tried it. Luke didn't know.
He just cried. He didn't cry, did he? Cried.
He tried it.
That's good, though. It's pretty good.
When
Just said
Luke
it again.
was jumping down the track, he couldn't stop. Owen said, look out, he asked it.
Asked.
Luke tried to stop, but he used his brakes. But they couldn't help.
What are you doing?
Can you still look at this, Mommy?
I'm looking at everything, man. I'm filming everything.
Look.
I'm also trying to watch your sister. What are you doing?
To Luke.
Into the soda quarry. Okay. Good night, folks. I don't have that much video.